Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Stella and today it's all about unboxing. So today I'll be sharing some of the things, voila, over there that I just recently bought. So this is my first unboxing. I haven't done any unboxing in video ever. I'm just always so eager when I get my stuff to open it up, try it on, wear it, one of those things. But yeah, I'll go through some of the things that I just got that I haven't opened up. I've looked at it, but I'm just gonna unbox it with you guys. So let's get this started. Start with this. So I have here with me, this is Joe Malone. Love their product. Even love the packaging. It's always so pretty packaged. This is the first time I'm kind of opening this up to see what it is. For those who follow me on my blog, you know how much I love Joe Malone, their fragrance, their candles, and this is the Joe Malone candle. It's the Nectarine and Blossom and Honey scent candle. Love the little bowl, so cute. So yeah, this is it. I have another one that I've used, so this just came in the right time for me. This is Gifted by Joe Malone. I actually have the fragrance for this Nectarine, Blossom and Honey, so the candle comes in handy. So this is what it looks like. So this is this. The next one, okay, let's do this. This is also the another one I got. Is 2 packages of this. This is what it looks like. Got 2 packages. This, both are gifted. It's from, I wrote down how to pronounce it. I can suck. It's from Vilebrequin, I think it's called. Vilebrequin. As you can see, Vilebrequin. I have one of their what do you call it, like the swim cover up that I posted on my blog last summer. I wore one of their swim cover that is like white and blue, and inside, oh, swimsuit, right in time for summer. So this is the swimsuit. I love the watercolor kind of tie-dye feel to this. This is what it looks like. It's got a tie here, has a tie at the back, and also tie on the sides. Yeah, this is really cute. The print is really good. The colors, amazing. So this is it. It's for my daughter. She's 1. So this would look cute with her. We're gonna be wearing something matching. So probably, oh, so there's one for Nolan. How cute is this? Love the colors. So this is it. Have a little cute pocket at the back. So he will love this. And pocket in front. Alright, let's move to next. Unbox this Leatherology. So let's see what's inside. This was also gifted. This has my initials on it. I picked the brown one. It comes in different colors, but I picked a brown one. I wanted to get a brown one because this goes with everything, and lately I've been into neutrals. So it comes with this handle. You can actually take it out if you want. And just hold it like that. This you can wear it like this. It's like a camera bag. If you're on vacation going out, need a camera, fancy camera bag, good leather, this is amazing. It's called Leatherology. And or sometimes I can just carry it out just like a crossbody bag. Love the color. Now I have this cut Gaia bag, cut Gaia shoe that I ordered. A lot of things are on sale. I've always wanted this shoes. I wait for when they have the sales. If you check out my blog, I listed a lot of designer brand, luxury brands that are things that are on sale. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Love the simplicity in front, and then love the uniqueness of the heels. I got a size 40. I usually wear Euro 40, and sometimes depending on the cut of certain shoes I might go with 39.5, but most of the time 40, and this 40 fits true to size. So one more time, this is what it looks like, and this is the back. To the next, now we have Nicholas Kirkwood. Now this, I think I saw this probably last year, and I wanted it, but I didn't want to pay full price for it. But I just like, okay, cross my fingers. When the sales happen, this is probably gonna be on the sale list. So voila, and it wasn't sale. So before I keep talking, let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So I got the pink one. It comes in pink and green. So I was like, should I get the pink? Should I get the green? But I figured I have another Moles by, I can't even remember the name, but I have a green Moles, so I figured I would just get the pink one. But so waiting paid off. So this is what it looks like. Let's get this out of here. Love the heels, very chic. Also got this in a 40, and it fits true to size. I love this right here. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Very vibrant. And I'm so into pink lately. It's just, I'm never really a pink girl, but this bright shade of pink has been, fuchsia have been on my radar lately. So here we go. Little details and the heels. So yep. So this is it for this, for unboxing. Now this is, get this open. Okay. This way. It's very comfortable. Like, I didn't know how this will feel. This is my first shoe from her design, her brand, and it's amazing. Love the heel. Check out this unique heel. I got the clear one. I love this. Very unique heel. Let's put this here. This is it. Check out the heels. Oops. Let's do this one. Check out the heels. Love this. This, I can see myself wearing it with jeans. I can wear like a dress up, even for work. I can see myself dressing it up for work. I can see myself dressing up in jeans out for a dinner date with dress, pretty much anything. So I can't wait to show you guys how I style these. So I think that's it for shoes. So the last but not least, let's see. This is Jacquemus I've always wanted this dress for a long time. The first time I saw it was in white, and it was sold out fast. And later on, when it came back, I saw this in green, and I was hoping for it to go on sale because I love a good bagging. And I saw this on sale. I love the color. My plan originally was to take this for my anniversary vacation in August, but with everything that is going on, I don't know if that's possible anymore. But still love it. And the bag has these details that you can just cross over at your back. It's pretty nice, and it has a zip here for fit. I got mine from Farfetch. I love getting, I shop a lot of, I do a lot of shopping at Farfetch. They always have good sales, and their stuff, the delivery, it's super fast. When I mean super fast, super fast. And I haven't had any issues shopping there. So this is one of my item on sale that I picked up. So can't wait to wear this. I can see myself wearing this with heels. I can see myself using this as a sort of like a cover up from to dinner on vacation. Like, you know, when you're in the pool, you wear a cover up and you wear something to wear to dinner or to lunch after. So I can kind of swap. So I can see myself wearing it with heels. I can see myself wearing it flats. So yeah, love the color of this. So and that's, yeah, let me show you. This is what the front looks like. This is what the front looks like. This is what it looks like. I got it in a size 38. Size 38. It's just interesting, the pants that I got from Jacquemus. I got it in a size 36, I believe, and it still feels a little loose, but it's okay. But this, I got this in a 38 because girl has more hips here, so that you can fit my hips here, and I didn't want it to feel extra tight. Knowing that it has the little ruche and slit there, I feel like if it's too tight, it might go up more. So, and that's it for the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing today. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And you see the bell button, make sure you click it so that you don't miss any videos anytime I post. And if you're on Instagram, don't forget to follow me here. And if you're on Facebook, check me out right here. Until next time, thank you for watching.